नमस्ते बच्चों, माई सेल्फ JVN Dr. सुरेंद्र कुमार श्रीवास्तव from the Department of Science under the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we will discuss on linear transformation. The linear transformation is also known as the homomorphism. Let V and V dash be two vector spaces over the same field capital F. A mapping T is such that V tends to V dash is said to be linear transformation or homomorphism if T of x plus y is equal to T of x plus T of y for all values x comma y belongs to V. Second, T of alpha x is equal to alpha Tx for all alpha belongs to capital F and x belongs to V. A linear transformation form a vector space V to itself is usually called a linear operator. In particular, if Tx is equal to x for all x belongs to V, then T is called the identity operator on V and is denoted by I. The linear transformation which maps every element of V onto zero vector in V dash is called the zero transformation and denoted by zero vector. Thus, zero vector x is equal to 0 dash for all x belongs to V. Now, isomorphism. Let V and V dash be two vector spaces over the same field capital F. Then a mapping T is such that V tends to V dash is said to be an isomorphism if first number T is 1 1 on 2 and the second T of alpha x plus beta y is equal to alpha Tx plus beta Ty for all alpha comma beta belongs to capital F and x comma y belongs to capital V. In other words, a 1 1 on 2 homomorphism is called an isomorphism. Isomorphic vector spaces. Two vector spaces V and V dash are said to be isomorphic if there exists an isomorphism of V to V dash. In this case, we write V is isomorphic to V dash and V dash V is isomorphic to V dash. Now we will see a theorem. Let V and V dash be two vector spaces over the same field capital F and let capital B is equal to E1, E2 and so on En be a basis of V. If T1 is such that V tends to V dash and T2 is such that V tends to V dash are linear transformation which agree on capital B. That is, T1 Ej is equal to T2 Ej for all j is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on n. Then T1x is equal to T2x for all x belongs to V. For proof, let there is a vector x belongs to V since capital B is equal to E1, E2 and so on En is a basis of V, so x can be uniquely expressed as x is equal to alpha 1 E1 plus alpha 2 E2 plus alpha 3 E3 plus and so on alpha n En. This is equation first, and alpha 1, alpha 2 and so on alpha n are called scalars. Now we will find T1x. This is T1 and the value of x is alpha 1 E1 plus alpha 2 E2 plus and so on plus alpha n En. Again this can be written as alpha 1 T1 E1 plus alpha 2 T1 E2 plus and so on plus alpha n T1 En. T1x is equal to alpha 1 T2 E1 plus alpha 2 T2 E2 plus and so on plus alpha n T2 En. T1x is equal to T2 of alpha 1 x1 e1 plus alpha 2 e2 plus alpha 3 e3 plus and so on alpha n en. Again this can be written as t1x is equal to t2x, thus t1x is equal to t2x for all x belongs to V. Thank you.